The parrots decided to tell Sarah and Saima about their powers. The sisters were amazed and thankful. From that day on, Sarah and Saima used the parrots' powers to help others indeed. They planted many fruits and vegetables to feed people who were hungry. They used their powers to heal people who were hurt or sick. They also created shields to protect people who were in danger or needed help. With those parrots, Sarah and Saima lived happily even after making the forest a better place for everyone. And Simba the eagle learned to live peacefully with his neighbors. If you like this story, please like, share, and do subscribe for our channel for more videos.